Manufacturing businesses are discovering that strategic relocation within the United States can offer significant advantages, and Charlotte County, Florida is emerging as a compelling destination. The region provides a unique combination of logistical benefits, business friendly policies, and workforce advantages that make it particularly attractive for manufacturers looking to optimize their operations. As supply chains tighten and reshoring trends continue, many companies are finding that moving closer to home, but choosing the right location, is crucial for success. Located in Southwest Florida, Charlotte County offers exceptional transportation infrastructure. Companies gain direct access to Interstate 75, Punta Gorda Airport, and major shipping facilities like Port Manatee and Port Tampa Bay. This strategic positioning enables efficient movement of goods, whether by road, air, or sea, creating valuable supply chain flexibility and reducing transportation costs for businesses of all sizes. The business environment in Charlotte County stands out for its efficiency and cost effectiveness. The local permitting process is notably streamlined, often cutting approval times by 50% or more compared to major metropolitan areas. Industrial utilities are already in place, and real estate costs can be substantially lower, up to 30% less than larger markets like Miami, Houston, or Atlanta. The region's dedicated site selection tool, cleared4takeoff.com, simplifies the property search process by allowing businesses to filter available industrial spaces based on specific requirements, including size, zoning, and special features. Workforce development is another key advantage. Charlotte County has established strong partnerships with organizations like CareerSource Southwest Florida, Charlotte Technical College, and the Florida Apex Accelerator to ensure manufacturers can access skilled talent. These relationships help companies find and train workers across various specializations, from welders and machine operators to logistics managers and technicians. The focus on developing local talent ensures a sustainable pipeline of qualified workers for growing businesses. The area holds particular appeal for veteran owned businesses or those seeking to employ veterans. As a Purple Heart community, Charlotte County maintains a higher than average veteran population and provides robust support programs for veteran entrepreneurs and employees. This creates unique opportunities for businesses looking to tap into a skilled and disciplined workforce. Consider a practical comparison. A manufacturer operating in Chicago might face high rental costs, workforce challenges, and lengthy permitting delays of 6 to 9 months. In Charlotte County, that same business could benefit from significantly reduced lease rates, access to a growing labor pool, and an expedited permitting process that could save months of time and substantial carrying costs. The economic impact of these differences can be transformative for a company's bottom line. Florida's business climate offers additional advantages, including no personal income tax and business friendly regulations. The local economic development team provides comprehensive support throughout the relocation process, from initial site selection through workforce development and utility connections. This hands on approach helps ensure a smooth transition for relocating businesses. Regarding natural disasters, Charlotte County has implemented some of the nation's strictest building codes. Inland locations provide additional security, and modern construction standards help mitigate potential risks. Most businesses find that these safeguards, combined with the region's numerous benefits, make for a compelling risk reward proposition when considering relocation. The value proposition for manufacturers in Charlotte County includes comprehensive transportation infrastructure, move in ready industrial properties, established workforce development programs, efficient permitting and pro business policies, and dedicated relocation support. These advantages create an environment where manufacturing businesses can effectively scale their operations while maintaining operational efficiency. For manufacturers considering relocation or expansion, Charlotte County presents a compelling opportunity to reduce costs while maintaining operational efficiency. The combination of strategic location, business friendly policies, and comprehensive support services creates an environment where manufacturing businesses can thrive. The region's focus on industrial development, coupled with its natural advantages and infrastructure investments, positions it as an increasingly attractive destination for manufacturing operations. Interested companies can begin exploring opportunities through the cleared4takeoff.com website, which provides detailed information about available industrial properties. The local economic development team stands ready to guide businesses through the evaluation and relocation process, ensuring companies can make informed decisions about their future in Charlotte County. With its combination of strategic advantages and support services, Charlotte County continues to attract manufacturers looking for an optimal location to grow their operations.